Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in to Oakland Park's first virtual Halloween bash. Today we will be making a paper jack-o'-lantern. For this craft you will need a paper plate, black construction paper, paintbrush, scissors, glue, and orange paint. An alternative that you can do if you don't want to use paint or glue, you can just color your plate and you can draw your facial features on. For this one, you just need black crayon, black marker, or orange crayon, orange marker, whichever you choose to use. Okay, so now we're ready to paint. We're gonna take our orange paint, our paintbrush, and our plate, and we're going to get started. So what you wanna do is you wanna take your paint and you just wanna go around your plate and just cover it entirely with the paint. I'm not gonna paint the whole thing because I have one set aside that's already dry, just to make this process a little easier. But I just wanted to show you how you would paint your plate. So you would do something like this, just taking your paint and covering the entire plate. All right, so now I'm going to grab the plate that I have already painted for us today. So this is what your plate should look like after you're done painting. If you're not using the paint again, just take your orange crayon, orange marker, and cover the plate entirely. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my glue, and I am also going to grab my facial features that I have already previously cut. So what you want to do is you want to take your glue, and I'm going to start with the eyes first because that's the easiest. So you're going to take your eyes and you're going to, however you want to lay them out, that's what you want to do. I want to try to get mine in the center and make it look like an actual face. So I'm gonna try to get it in the center of the plate. You don't need a lot of glue for this, just a little bit. So I'm adding the second eye onto the plate. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my nose and I'm gonna add my nose onto the plate. So I put the nose on the plate, and then final piece is the mouth. We're gonna put some glue on the mouth. Also, what you can do is you can take just a little bit of decorations if you have them. You can use squiggly eyes, or you can use pom-poms, just to decorate your plate, your jack-o'-lantern. Okay. So now that I have everything, all of my features added to the plate, this is what my jack-o'-lantern looks like. Okay, so you should have something similar, or if you did not paint with us today and you did the coloring, this is what yours should look like. Okay, so that was it for the first day of Oakland Park's virtual Halloween bash. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to take pictures and tag us on the social media at the City of Oakland Park. See you on the next one.